guys, I'm back. If you're new here, my name is Danny Monique, and what's up, my dozens of roses? If you're new here, you might as well subscribe and like my ish. So as you guys can see in today's title, I am going to be showing you some rainbow steals. Like, listen, I ran across this woman's channel. I'm going to link it down below, and she just gave me an idea. So I was like, I'm just going to go buy all of Rainbow's perfumes because they were only, hold the door, $3.33. Okay, so I was like, ooh, $3.33. Those could be my nighttime sprays because, you know, your luxury sprays and all that, you want to use that when you kind of go out. So I was like, I can buy those for $3 and check them out and see how they smell. And your girl could be smelling like a new woman every night, you know? So that was the deal with that. So go check her channel out because she actually gets in depth of how these smells, because she really like enjoyed these. Since I guess I'm new to her channel, so I haven't seen a whole lot, but most of her content is on Rainbow's perfume. So yeah, if you like smelling good and definitely for the logo, go ahead and check her out because she can let you know more about these sprays. Also, if you like my makeup look, go head over to my other channel, which is linked below. EMPRESS Danny Shear Beauty. Okay, and become a dozen of roses over there because I'm trying to build that channel. I'm trying to get to at least 50 subscribers on that channel by the end of the month. So if you can help me out, go ahead and do your thing. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, they all came packaged with this bubble wrap, which I love that they did this because it was well protected. Okay, it was well protected, and I actually have 10 of them. Yes, I have 10 of them. So, and there's 10 more that I want to get, because really what I wanted to do was go on their website, which is, and buy all of Rainbow's perfume. But you know, that's free. It might be $3 and some change, but that $3 change add up. So I was like, okay, I'll get 10 now and come back and get the rest. So like I said, they came like this, bubble wrap like this, and once you take the bubble wrap off, they came with the plastic on it here. So I already done took the other ones off of the other one, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off because I haven't even smelled this one. Most of these I have smelled because I just wanted to try them out. I was excited, okay? So I went ahead and tried them out, but I haven't smelled this one and the other one with the bubble wrap that I still have to open. So this one is called Paint Fantasy here, and this is for one a very cute box with the hearts, with the pink and black and white. That is so cute. Now all of these is the Mirage brand, so I'm guessing the Mirage brand must be linked up with Rainbow and was like, let's do our thing, let's sell these things for the low. And yeah, so I'm guessing maybe that's what happened. So let's see how this bottle. Ooh, look at this freaking bottle. It has the hearts on it. Like, that is so cute. So cute. Look at the ombre. That's so cute. And this looks like a little door stopper. That's so cute. So let's see how this smells. Now, I'm not going to smell all the ones, especially ones I already know how to smell, because you know. This bottle is too cute for this perfume to be smelling like this. It smells like some cleaning supplies. Like, that's a no-go for me. Like, I'm definitely not gonna reach for this one. It smells like cleaning supplies. Now, don't get me wrong, this is the first one that I did not smell. Now the other ones that I smell good, and some of them actually when I get to that, I'll let you know which one smell kind of like a luxury. Like, hold on now. You sure this ain't no luxury spray? I don't know how this one smells. I'm gonna save it for last, because I didn't like that. I did not like that, okay? I'm gonna pick one that I know that I like for sure. And you know what? Where is it? This one. This one. So this one is called Kimberly Hard Silver. And baby, first of all, this is so cute, okay? This is so cute. The box is so cute. Like, this is, like I said, this is the brand. Ooh, Mirage there. That is the brand that's on all of these boxes. So listen, let me show y'all this box. Baby, look, like, this is so freaking cute. Like, I cannot wait to like line all my perfumes up. And I actually think I'm gonna take them out the box. I have heard, I only heard from one YouTuber really, that if you keep them in a box that they will last longer. But as far as these, don't be spraying these all night. I mean, every night. Like, really what I want to do is get something where I can have a tray in the bathroom. So once I get out the shower, I can go ahead and say, ooh, I want to smell like her tonight and smell like her tonight. So I think that's what I want to do. But I love this bottle. My light is so bright. But it's just saying Kimberly Hard Silver here. And let's see, bring it up a little bit so y'all can see it. Okay. And I love, like I said, the bottle. I love the concept. And then when we turn it over, it is so freaking cute. Like, who don't want to see that sitting up there? Ooh, y'all should see this thing sitting up here. But I would sit it more like this is how I have it sitting. And maybe you can see it like that as well, but either way, it is freaking cute, okay? Now, this is my favorite. This one smells fresh, laundry. Like, it smells in the middle of that, but it also, it smells feminine as well. So I'm gonna spray this on me. I know I ain't, cause yeah, it just smells good. Like, and I actually wore this and it lasts. Did I layer this one? Yeah, I layered this with my butterfly from Bath and Body Works, and I smelled awesome all day long. I was gone all day long, and when I got home, I still smelled it on my clothes. And you know, of course, with the Bath and Body Works, you know, that's more of a long lasting spray. So therefore, yeah, it did last a little bit longer because of that. But let's get into the next one. I like this one as well. Here's the box. It's called Mystery Glitter, and this box is cute. Pink is my favorite color, and I see they like hearts, which, yeah, that's their thing. They like hearts. So here's the bottle. Of course, this is a light pink. I love this light pink on here. And it has little hearts on. Can we see that? Yep, we have little hearts here on the bottle. And then here have the silver. Y'all know I'm a gold girl. If you've been here, you know I'm a gold girl. But it has the silver here and the top here. Now, I like this one as well. I ain't smelled it in a while, so let me smell it. So this one is kind of a sweet smell. It's kind of sweet but settled. Ooh. It smells good. It smells super duper good. So it's sweet. Like I feel like this is like a teenage girl, also a grown woman as well, because I'm grown. But it's just like, okay, I'm gonna wear this because I am going shopping in the mall and I want to walk past people and smell good. Like, that's what it's giving me. So now for the next one. This one, I do not know how to pronounce Swatch, okay? I'm not from French, so whatever the heck that is, okay? But we know that's floral. I don't know how to pronounce this, but this bottle, Listen, I mean, this packaging is, for one, y'all know red is my favorite color if you don't know. And this bottle is like, yeah, y'all know what y'all doing, like, woo. So here's the bottle. It's red and black. It has an ombre here, and this is so cute and so sleek. Okay, like, this is cute. So of course, you know, obviously by the name, it's a floral smell. It's a floral, I'm sorry, I just read it again. It's like a floral powdery smell. That's what this one is giving. But the bottle is so luxury and cute. Like, who thought to do this? It's like a little curve here. Like, who thought to do this? Like I told y'all in my other perfume video, if you did not watch that, go ahead once you get finished with this. It will be in the e-cards or either in the description box. It will be there because people love to watch perfume, what's in my perfume collection, because I know I do as well. So if you like, you know, watching perfume videos, that will be linked. But like I told y'all, I want to have my own perfume line. I really do one day, and I am going to have one day. So when I look at certain bottles, they be like, ooh, they did say, ooh, YS Libra, like that is the most sleek. For one, I love the smell because it makes me feel like a boss. When I put that on, it makes me feel like a boss. So let's get to the next one because yeah, y'all ain't come here to hear about no luxury. Y'all come to hear about rainbow. So I already took it out the box. I'm sorry, right in my mouth. But this is Hey Girl. All right, it has a little kitty cat on it and a little print hand. It looks kind of high schoolish, kind of 9-year-old type. But let's see, I forgot how it smells too. This one here, and here's the bottle because I did not show y'all the bottle. What I'm doing, I'm rushing. Stop rushing, Danny. But here's the bottle. Like, I can see the scent on my daughter's dresser. Like, I'm gonna let her have at least 2 of these because, like I said, I'm gonna go buy some more so she can have 2 of these, you know, or at least 3, or whichever one she likes. This one is a very light smell. Like, it's giving light. It's giving light floral smell, but it's super light. So I don't think this one is gonna last all day. Like, if you was gonna wear it all day, like I say, all of these are gonna be nighttime sprays. So pretty much once I get out of the shower, I'm spraying something on. So once I get into bed with my man, he's like, you smell good. Okay. So and I advise that you do that. If you don't do that, you know, you don't even have to do it for him. Do it for yourself because smell good. Okay, smell good, girl. So you guys, as you know, I am doing perfume smells. So with me spraying them, after a while your nose is kind of like, I'm smelling too much. So like I had thought of doing before, I'm going to do 2 videos because it's 10 perfumes in all. So I'm going to do 5 minutes video and then wait until tomorrow to do the other 5 because my nose is like not smelling anything anymore. So out of all the bottles, let me know which one you like the most, which bottle is the cutest, and you know, which one would you pick up just because it's cute. Like I said, these fragrances is only $3 and 33 cents. Like, who can beat that? Like I said, if you're not gonna wear it all day scent because you want to smell more luxury, wear it at night. Like, wear it at night once you get out of the tub, you know, like I'm gonna do. But I can't wait to set all these perfumes up and just have them up there making me look like, oh, look at that girl perfume collection. Look at that girl perfume collection. But yeah, so be on the lookout if you like perfumes. If you like perfumes, be on the lookout for this part 2 of this video because your girl nose is like So all of my dozens of roses, I love you guys. And before you leave, subscribe and like my ish and become a part of the Dozens of Rose game. And I will see you guys in the next video.